In 2017, a man in California made a fatal mistake that cost him his life. Rushing to catch a bus, he decided to cross a set of high-speed train tracks, believing he had enough time to make it. Despite warning signals and the sound of an approaching train, he underestimated the train's speed and overestimated his own ability to cross safely. As he hurried across, the train struck him, resulting in instant death. This tragic incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of misjudging speed and distance, and the importance of respecting safety barriers near train tracks.